What does bicycle mean?
A vehicle with two wheels.
What does library mean?
A place with books.
What does scientist mean?
Someone who studies things.
What does elephant mean?
A large animal.
What does hospital mean?
A place to treat sick people.
What does pencil mean?
Something to write with.
What does river mean?
A flowing body of water.
What does mountain mean?
A very high land.
What does butterfly mean?
An insect.
What does computer mean?
A machine.
What does garden mean?
A place to grow plants.
What does doctor mean?
Someone who treats sick people.
What does train mean?
A long vehicle on tracks.
What does plane mean?
A flying vehicle.
What does clock mean?
Something to tell time.
What does telescope mean?
A tool used to see faraway objects.
What does whale mean?
A large animal that lives in the sea.
What does glasses mean?
Something worn on eyes to help see clearly.
What does bridge mean?
A structure built to cross rivers or roads.
What does camera mean?
A device used to take photos.